Hi, I'm Roy. With my typical week is super activity and varied from Monday to Friday. Every time starts early, I get on or 6 and it's 6 in the morning. Something full of enjoyment. Sometimes like a zombie. I but like uh, Jericho's. I love what I'm student. I have with breakfast, usually submitting like your weight fruit or some sandwiches. Ahead of student university class that would most of morning. Sometimes I don't have creativity in words showed where with work in on projects at the inspired me a lot. Uh, and not a meet with my friends in the campus cafeteria. And that's one my favorite time because will will I always have great conversations and laugh and share your strength. Our lunch is have like time in store library good help on my homework or catch out one my Reddit um, in the afternoon and loves white exercise. Sometimes I go to the gym, especially with a strength trained, but all times I prefer to go for runs, play soccer or volleyball and university contour. For me, exercise, exercise is like meant break it helps releases the strength of students, no? Think of Nick I come home, have simple night read and start doing homework, studying for applications of preparing the presentations. If have free time, I like watch stories, listen to music, and brainstorms some crazy ideas that come to meet. Uh, Not with a complete different, but on Saturday where Morris is not to get so Erlanded, but still like to go for around it in the park or go my bike ride with my friends. I love feeling the science is friend that comes from exercises outdoors. Uh, After exercise, I like to go to new coffee, eat in the city, especially this place with our plans of relax atmosphere. It afternoon depends something in plan to the beach or the there are allowed it where it is nice. I really like commenting with nature uh, or trying in the art cultural events, yes, such as art exhibitions, friends, small concerts, sing with wood within the tricking tracing, and Sunday are reality much. more pe- uh, pa- pies food. Usually sealed. I have lunch with my family, which I was special time, and in the afternoon it's something relaxed, like play video games and with my cousin and reality my lab or watching soccer game. I watch three to okay Sunday I try to reach my batteries so I can and go running and gain on money. Uh, suggest I con my with has like bit of varied student, created sports, friends, and family, and that's how life to live it.